Family and friends, I'll be talking briefly about low blood pressure. Low blood pressure. Now, hear me. High BP is dangerous, but low BP is way a silent killer and a dangerous thing to experience. Now, listen to me. It's a silent killer and a silent dangerous thing to have low blood BP. Now, let me explain low BP a little. Low BP a little. Now, low BP a little is when you experience all this below 90/60. When your pressure is reading below 90/60, it's dangerous. Now, listen to me. We have a lot of causes to low BP. We have dehydration can cause it. Not drinking enough water, anemia can cause it. Even some certain medications you are taking can trigger low BP. You can have these heart problems, can trigger low BP. Pregnancy in some women can trigger low BP. A lot of things can cause low BP, but you have to be very, very careful. Now, if you are talking about the disadvantages or you are talking about the symptoms of low BP, let me give you very brief ones. Now, if you are talking about symptoms, you can get this dizziness and fainting. Low BP, sometimes you can't even trek like 1 kilometer. You are panting. Go and check your BP, my brother, my sister. Is a silent problem. Is a silent problem. So dizziness, it can cause dizziness, it can cause fainting, it can cause shock, it can cause kidney failure, it can cause confusion. It can cause confusion. It can cause blood vision. You cannot be seeing well. Your eye will be doing. So you have to be very, very careful about low BP. But I'm going to give you a support and a remedy as your herbal remedy chief. I have an update. Now listen to me carefully. Now the remedies you need to try and you need to use to support this low BP and help yourself in case of emergency to rise or to balance yourself and live a better life. One of it is drinking water when need be. Most of us cannot consume this sachet pure water. Most of us cannot consume even 5 pieces a day. It's very bad. Normally, you are supposed to be taking at least up to 8 sachets of pure water. Look at pure water. This is sachet water. In case of people that are not in Nigeria or not living where this pure water exists, Now, this pure, at least, even if you are not drinking, at least 8 sachets a day. Now, if you are calculating from this big ever water, this kind of water, this big can, at least you take at least two bottles a day. It will help you to balance your BP. It will help you to both detoxification. It will help your blood sugar. It will a lot of things. So hydration is very, very good in low BP. Another one I'm going to give you is salt intake. When it happens, you are feeling this dizzy and all these challenges, you can take a pinch of salt, put in your water, stir it and drink. It's going to boost your BP. That is why when you have high BP, you stay far from sodium, from salt. So taking pinch of salt when need be, or when you are cooking your food, if you are sure that you have low BP, make sure that your food, at least that salt, you test salt. That is number 2. Now, number 3 is this blood builder. Any food that can build your blood will help you to control and support low blood pressure. We have a lot of food that can help you to build your blood. All this ogo in Igbo land, ogo. Look at the leaf. Look at this leaf now. This leaf that we used to cook our soup and all this vegetable. Some people call it pumpkin leaf. We have a lot of pumpkin, but this particular one, this one now. Now, eating it to build your on any food that is building your blood will help you support low BP. Eating eggs, beetroot, a lot of food, dates. Any food that can build your blood will help you support low blood pressure. Another one is eating small food, but frequent. Small meal every now and then. Eating small food every now and then will help you to build, stable your blood pressure and make it rise above low to balance. That is another one. I just told you that drinking water will help you support low blood pressure. I told you about salt, salt intake. I told you about blood builder. You know, any food that builds your blood, that is number 3. I told you about eating small but often, frequently, will help you, which is number 4. The last one I'm going to tell you is alligator pepper. Alligator pepper it will sound strange, but it works. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. In Igbo land, we use it to serve visitors. This is the fruit. This is the fruit, and these are the seeds inside that fruit. Now, when you get the dried one, make sure it's always in your purse. Make sure it's always in your home. Even when you are sleeping, even when you are going anywhere, make sure you have it. Whenever you feel dizziness, whenever you feel blood vision, you are confused, want to fall, go and get few pieces of alligator pepper. Even if it's 10 pieces, 15 pieces, just get some. Chew it and swallow. Your BP will balance again. Listen to me. Nature works. Your herbal remedy chief loves you. Touch your share button so that others will start learning from your herbal remedy chief. I love you. I love you.